Hey guys, it's March 30th, 2021. It's roughly 9:30 Eastern. So let's take a look at how NNDM traded today. Alright, so NNDM started the day off about here. Got rejected at this 825 area for support or the resistance, and came down. Mainly, I believe actually it's the 50 MA that was keeping it down. So we got some little bit of a volume in on the opening. So we tried to go up, got rejected for a little bit with these MAs, and then started to rise up and constantly trying to get through to this 850 mark area. Right now there seems to be a resistance at 841. So we'll have to wait and see if we can get the volume tomorrow to break that resistance level. There are no new news, so that's really it with them. The market pretty much traded along the same way. Came down a little bit, then rose up, and then kind of did this whole bowl, and then kind of came back down. But the good thing is this part right here, now Dimension did well in keeping up at the top instead of coming back down, as you can see here. So maybe it came down a little bit here, but it still rose back up. So now Dimension was pretty much like it has been in sync with the market and trading along with it. So we'll have to see how that goes tomorrow. So we're above the baseline here with the MACD on the 5-minute, and the RSI is starting to look like it's pointing upward at 57. So we'll see if we can break through tomorrow. The 1 hour scale, we have made quite a bit of push up, where the MACD is above the baseline. It's at 0.05, and the signal, actually no, it's at negative 0.01. And the signal is at negative 0.05. So they're getting close to being over getting close to the baseline and crossing. So if that does occur, we should hope to have a little bit of a bullish run. So that is to be expected, because last time that happened, we were at this area right here, so right about here, and got rejected by these Gann angles. At this point, we are getting closer to getting past. We already passed one of those Gann angles, and this one will be the next one. And this larger one should be the last of those Gann angles if we can get through it. One thing I didn't notice on the 4-hour scale is that if you notice that the price bars are starting to compress. The bars for the red bars are not as long and elongated, so they are getting smaller and smaller, and there's a lot more green bars, even though smaller, starting to show up. So we might be starting to see a stabilization on the price here, and hopefully we will consolidate and then hopefully start to make the push up. The RSI is pretty healthy at the 4-hour scale, is roughly around 36. On the daily time frame, it's roughly about 40. So we're looking pretty good. We are at a point where we do need to we'll need some volume to start pushing up, as you can see here with this. So hopefully we'll get to that point. Let's see the 4 hours here, and start to make our way up. Hopefully we'll have some good catalysts coming out for them to be able to make this push up. So tomorrow the play is that this is a very bullish flag. Hopefully we'll be able to push up above this 850 mark area and push through the MA21 on the 4-hour scale, which is at roughly the 850 mark. So if we can get above that and start testing these this area around here for the to get through that resistance and ultimately make it to the 850, 860, 875 mark, that would be fantastic. That's kind of like the play that we're looking for. So we'll see how this goes because we can make this kind of pattern may suggest a big, strong bullish up move, especially if we have a catalyst. I could see us getting back to that 865 mark I was talking about just a minute ago. The signal has crossed over, so we'll see how this goes, and the RSI is pretty healthy. So other than that, guys, let's see what the market does for us tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get some volume. It looks like some of these sell-offs were just hands that just couldn't really take the pain anymore and just sold off. But I think we are starting to get that compression to where we are starting to stabilize and move up. All right, guys. Other than that, good luck trading tomorrow, and hopefully we'll get some volume and go from there to better grounds. All right, guys. Take care. Bye.